Dear students, here exercise 9.4, it's the question number 1. Multiply the binomials. Okay, multiplying the binomial. Why binomial? Because this expression is having two terms, so binomial. This expression is also having two terms, so it is binomial. So we are multiplying binomial with binomial, right? So how to go with that? Equal to sign compulsory to mention. First time we are going to multiply with 2x. The whole this bracket means whole this binomial, another second wala binomial, we are going to multiply with the first term of this binomial, that is with 2x. Now we need to write here plus 5. Here plus 5 along with the sign we have to write, and we have to write the same term here. Clear? First I have taken the first term of this binomial and I have written full binomial here. Secondly, I wrote here second term and it's the full binomial. Now 2x into 4x. 2x into 4x. 2 4 ja 8, x into x gives x square. 2 4 ja 8, x into x is x square minus 2 3 ja 6x plus 5 4 ja 20x minus 5 3 ja 15. Okay. Now, is there any like terms in that? You will see, of course, it's there. Which are these? You can see here minus 6x plus 20x. Okay. So, first 8x square is already there. Now, 20 minus 6. It gives the result 14x. And here it is minus 50. Now, let's work out for the second. We are given here y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. This is the question. Now same procedure we are going to apply here as we did in the first. Here we are given y minus 8, that is also binomial. 3y minus 4 is also binomial. Let me write y here first and in another bracket here 3y minus 4. And this is minus 8 3y minus 4. Okay, let's work out 3y into y. 3y into y gives the result 3y square. Minus 4 into y, it gives the result 4y. 4 into y, 4y. Minus 8 3 ja. 8 3 ja 24y. Okay. And 8 4 ja 32. Okay. But as we know that here in the first question we are given here plus sign. So while multiplying there isn't any changes of sign. But here it is minus. So we need to change the sign and this will become plus. This minus, it will become plus. Okay. Now we'll work out on this. Which term, any terms which you can see as a like term in this expression? Of course, it is this minus 4y minus 24y. So here 3y square is as it is, and as we know that same sign addition, we all time add the coefficient or a subtract, means we have to work out on their coefficients. Minus 4 minus 24 gives the result minus 28y. Same sign addition, but sign remain of minus. And here plus 32. Clear? Second part. This is the answer. Exercise 9.4. It's a question 1 multiply. It's a third part we are given here. 2.5 L minus 0.5 M bracket over 2.5 L plus 0.5 M in another bracket. Two brackets are there. Afterwards, when will the same question will come after doing next exercise, then we can say that we have to apply identity at that time. So far we are going to multiply as similar as binomial with binomial. So we need to write first term of the first binomial here. Okay, this I am writing. So in another bracket, another term I am writing 2.5L plus 0.5M, that is also binomial. Now, as we know that here it is minus, so I need to write minus 0.5M, and full this term I am repeating here. Okay, it's clear. The first term is first step is very easy. We are multiplying with the first term, then full bracket, second term, then full bracket. Okay, now as we know, one by one we need to multiply with these terms. Okay, so we do have good idea about 2.5L into 2.5L, how to multiply. For that, for a while, think about, you are given only 25, 25. 25 into 25. So 25 into 25, when you multiply in your rough column, you will get 625. Okay. Now, as it is decimal here, you just see it is decimal here. Okay. So how to shift the digit here? Very simple. Just see, after decimal here, one digit. After decimal, one digit, means total 1 plus 1, 2 digit we need to shift. So 2 digit from back side. So the decimal of this answer will come here 6.25. And L into L gives the result L square. Here, and between that plus sign is there. Now again, for a while, think about this 2.5 into 0.5. We have to multiply 2.5 with 0.5 for a while. Think, you are not given any decimal and you have to multiply 25 with 5. 25 5 ja, we know 125. 25 5 ja, 125. So, and along with L into M, that is LM. LM. Along with LM, it is LM. And we know that here after decimal, here one digit, after decimal one digit, so total two digit we need to shift from back side. So a decimal will be here, so multiplication will be 1.25. Okay, so here I have written 1.25, and the product of this L with M gives the result LM. Here, now here it is minus. Next step, go with this minus. Again, we are going to multiply 0.5 with 2.5. For a while, forget this decimal and think that you are given only 5 into 25. Means 25 5 ja. We know 25 1 ja 25, 2 ja 50, 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja 100, and 25 5 ja 125. Okay, and ml, it is lm or ml, same thing. When we multiply, there isn't any matter for the product. Okay, now as we know that after decimal one digit, so we need to shift two digit from back side. So again it will be 1.25 lm. As we know that here it is minus sign outside the bracket, so be careful, dear student. Here minus is there, so inside the bracket here it is plus, so it will be changed and it will be minus now. Now same thing as we did in the previous step, 0.5m, 0.5m. How to multiply? Simply 5 5 ja 25. Let's note down 25. M into M, it will give the result M square. But how to decide the decimal? Okay, where to keep the decimal? As we know here one term, here also one term after decimal, one digit. So total two digit we need to shift. If it shift two digit, then one is here, two is already here. So I need to write decimal will be here after 0.25 m square. Now some similar terms are there. You can see here this plus, this minus. Okay, both are similar, so it will be cancelled. So the remaining answer terms are to 6.225 L square minus 0.25 m square. This is the a plus 3b x plus 5. Okay. Now we know that here also two terms binomial, okay, but they are having different variable here. First, I am choosing the first term of this. So here I am writing, and let me write the other full expression in the multiplication with the first term. Now, second term 3b, I am going to multiply with the x plus 5. Clear? Now, as we know, a into x, then a into 5, 3b into x, 3b into 5. A into x gives the result ax, plus a into 5 gives the result 5a, plus 3b into x gives the result 3bx, plus 3b into 5. So 3 5 are 15, and this b is there. So there isn't any common terms, means there isn't any like terms in that. So we need not have to do anything. This is our answer. Okay. Let's work out on the next question. In that, what we are given, the fifth question. I'm writing here 2pq plus 3q square, in another bracket 3pq minus 2q square. Okay, fine. This is the question. I'm reading the question. 2pq plus 3q square, 3pq minus 2q square. Okay. Same procedure as we are doing. First, I am writing the first term of this expression here, and full bracket without changing anything. I am writing as it is. Okay. Now again I am multiplying second term with whole this bracket, that is 3pq minus 2q square. This we read always square. Now let's work out on this. What can be the possible answer? First we need to multiply full with this, then with this, then this, and then with this. Okay. 2 3 ja. Just look at your screen. 2 3 ja 6. P into P is P square. Q into Q gives the result Q square. Minus 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4. P is already there. Q into Q square gives the result Q cube. Q into Q square. Q here 3 times. So Q cube. Plus 3 3 ja 9. P is already there. Q square into Q gives the result Q cube. Minus 3 2 ja 6. Q square into Q square gives the result Q to the power 4. Because square into square indicate 4. This is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now, is there any like terms? Let's think about that. That of course we will say minus 4q square q cube and plus 9pq cube. This is also cube, this is also cube, p having one power. So these two terms are like terms. So let's write first term as it is, 6p square q square without changing anything. We know that here minus 4 and here plus 9. Minus 4 plus 9 gives the result plus 5. Plus 5pq cube minus 6q to the power 4. Simplify, we have done here minus 4 plus 9. It gives the result plus 5pq cube. Rest of the two terms remain here. Exercise 9.4. It's a question 1 and it's the sixth question I am going to explain you. Let me read the question. We are given here 3 by 4a square plus 3b square, and 4 is outside the bracket, and a square minus 2 by 3b square. This we are going to multiply. Okay. There are one option. Before we proceed for this full expression will be multiplied with this expression, we need to multiply this with this first. Okay. So our work will become easy. As we know, the first expression we are given is 3 by 4a square plus 3b square. It is already in one bracket. Now, what we have to do in another bracket to write this? Simple. 4a square gives the result 4a square minus, this is 4a square, minus 4 2 ja, only numerator. It will be multiplied with numerator. So 4 2 ja 8 by 3b square. Here. 4a square minus 4 to the 8 by 3b square. Okay. Now we are going to multiply first term with first term. First term with first term, it means this first term 3 by 4a square we are going to multiply with full this term, that is 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square, fine, plus 3b square, and here it is 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. So let's work out upon that. Simple. As usually, we multiply this term with this term first, and then second time this with this, third time this with this, and this. Okay, one by one. Let's go. 3 by 4 into 4. Let's note down. 3 by 4 into 4. Okay, into a square into a square. It gives the result a to the power 4. I am explaining again here this step. 3 by 4 we are first multiplying with 4, and a square will be multiplied with this a square, so it gives the result a to the power 4, minus, between that minus sign is there, again this 3 by 4 we are given. I am going to multiply it with 8 by 3. Here this is 8 by 3, so here a square and this b square, so I need to write it is a square b square in simple. A square b square. Between this plus sign is here, let me write plus here. 3 into 4. Observe, 3 into 4. So let me write 3 into 4 here. B square into a square. So this is a square into b square minus. Okay. Minus. Next step I am writing here. So what do I have? 3 into 8 by 3. Okay. B square into b square gives the result b to the power 4. So let's simplify now. Very easy. 4 cancel. What is left? 3a to the power 4. So let's note down. Minus 3 cancel. 4 to the 8. Okay. So here minus 2 a square b square. Minus 2 a square b square. Then we will have here 4 3 ja 12. So I need to write plus 12 a square b square. So I am writing here a square b square minus this 3 will be cancelled. What is left? Minus 8b to the power 4. Here now, as we know that here two terms which are in like terms, they are given like terms. Which are they? I am talking about this term and this term. They both are in like terms. Like terms are together. So we need to write here minus 2 plus 12. Minus 2 will be subtracted from 12, gives the result 10, along with a square and b square. This is there, and this is minus 8b to the power 4. Okay, so this is the complete solution of question number 6. Okay.